Malta tista' tagħmilha, il-poplu Malti kapaċi jagħmilha, hekk qal il-kap tal-Partit Nazzjonalista fid-diskors li għamel meta indirizza attività tal-Malta Institute of Accountants l-4 filgħodu bit-tema tkun iffukata fuq l-ambjent u l-iskart. Il-kap tal-Partit Nazzjonalista taħarsa fost l-oħrajn lejn il-potenzjal tal-poplu Malti li jeleb kull sfida li jkollu qudiemu.
We want to empower business in Malta, to shape EU policy in partnership with a new nationalist government. And we want to do this not only to help fix our reputation, but to map out a future we can truly be proud of. A future that is sustainable for our children and their children. A future where Malta is once again in the headlines for the right reasons.
Il-kap tal-Partit Nazzjonalista qal li Malta mhux biss tista' taħdem biex tkun pjoniera l-iżvilupp sostenibbli, iżda anke bil-kisbiet tagħha tappella l-nazzjonijiet oħra biex jindirizzaw l-isfida tal-klima.
Malta can be a leader in sustainable reporting as much as in sustainable living, in the battle against climate change and in the battle of adapting to climate change. This is not new to us. 20 years ago, we forged new industries in gaming and financial service by being leaders in compliance and sustainability for those industries.
Bernard Grech qal li Partit Nazzjonalista fil-Gvern se jkun qed jagħti saħħa n-negozji li jkunu fost l-aqwa fl-Unjoni Ewropea, politika li tħares il-futur ta' wliedna bit-tmexxija ta' eżempju.
I am convinced we can turn the page towards a better future, and it has to be a green future, a sustainable one. The Nationalist Party has to start by setting an example.
Waqal li l-Partit Nazzjonalista tiħares lejn Malta mhux biss tal-lum imma anki ta' għada u għalhekk li l-ġimgħa d-dieħla se jtella konferenza dwar it-tibdil fil-klima.
Next week we will be holding a climate change conference. I urge you all to attend and give your contribution. We are a party of dialogue and a party that believes in experts.
Bernard Grech qal li l-impatt tal-grey listing tal-FATF fuq Malta se jkun qed jaffettwa l kulħadd inkluż l-accountants, iżda Partit Nazzjonalista fil-Gvern se jkun qed jagħmel dak kollu possibbli biex Malta toħroġ mill-grey list.
PN in government is committed to getting us off the grey list within 3 months.
James Aronellu, Net News.